The devil is going to try to hold you down with certain situations, but you got to understand that God's willingness to want you out of it is stronger than your flesh willingness to stay in it. Little children, you are from God and have overcome them, for he who is in you is greater than he who is in the world. So, what is God saying? God is saying that the God that's in you, or for those who don't have God in you yet, the God that can be in you is stronger than all the things that's in the world. God is saying this: I understand those things in your life that bother you, try to hold you down, but don't just think I'm stronger, and don't just think I'm more powerful than things you don't want in your life. I'm stronger than some of those things that you know you shouldn't, but do want in your life. We wasn't built to lose, and we gotta trust that. As young people, we gotta say to ourselves, we was not built to lose. We all deep down inside want to win at something. But I'm telling you, the concept of increase, the concept of moving forward is birth. The birthplace of that desire comes from the God DNA that's inside you. And what happens when you accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior? You ready for this? You activate that God DNA.